Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate the Theatre Sessions tab within the case screen. The Theatre Sessions tab streamlines the billing process for patient procedures. When a patient undergoes surgery, the time spent in the operating theatre is accurately recorded. This tab captures the start and end dates and times of each theatre session, which are then used to generate invoices. Billing calculations are based on specific billing codes, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in the invoicing process. In this video, we will start on the case management screen. First, search for and click on the desired case. The case management sidebar will open. For more information regarding the case management sidebar, please refer to the case management screen sidebar, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the case edit button. The hospital case screen will open. For more information regarding the hospital case screen, please refer to the how to create a new hospital case user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Theatre Sessions tab on the navigation bar. The Theatre Sessions screen will open. By creating a theatre session, you can accurately record the duration of time the patient spent in the theatre. This ensures precise billing when the sessions are invoiced. Click on the Add Theatre Sessions button. The Theatre Sessions screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields within this screen. The Start Time field will be utilized to indicate when the theatre session was done, and the End Time field to indicate when it concluded. Click on the Start Time and End Time fields and complete with the applicable information. Next, click on the Theatre drop-down menu and select the location of where the theatre session took place. Click on the Notes field to add any additional notes regarding the theatre session. When done, click on the Save button and save the theatre session. The theatre session will now display on the hospital case screen. If you wish to update or make changes to the theatre session, click on the Edit button. Once you are satisfied with the updates made, simply click on the Save button once more. For more information on how to build a theatre session, please refer to the Build a Theatre Session user manual linked in this video's description.